Yes, I'm Roman, and today we are exploring Kassel, the city that is the most adored by the French. Kassel is a very old city in the north of France. Its name is derived from Casselton, which means castle or fortified village. It is a small town, which is specifically located in French Flanders, in the Hauts-de-France region. It is 45 minutes from Lille, 1 hour and 30 minutes from Ghent, 2 hours from Brussels, and 3 hours and 30 minutes from Paris. You see there? I think that's literally where I'm coming from. No, there. Yes, there. Oof. And we're still going uphill. These people here must be damn fit. Town Hall is an imposing building that was built in the 11th century. It was once called the Châtellenie. We are finally in Kassel, which is the centre-ville downtown. Here we are at the entrance of the Castle Gate, La Porte d'Air. This is the entrance to the city of Kassel and principally to the downtown region, the centre-ville, the center of the city. Owing to the city's altitude, it had natural characteristics of military defense, which made it easy to facilitate a control tower which could oversee various towns. This geographical position of the city interested the Romans, who quickly made the city a fortified post to monitor the surrounding territories. Kassel was thus a strategic point in northern Gaul in Roman times. We are currently at La Grande Place at Kassel, and this central square is a hotspot for both residents and tourists alike, owing to its beautiful architecture and Flemish design. There's also an abundance of brasserie and terrace to just simply relax and eat with friends. L'église Notre-Dame de la Crypte Collégiale is a church that was built in the 10th century, and it consists of a Gothic style. A Gothic architectural style, that is. It has experienced many damages over the years and was even burnt down. It is therefore a historic monument and forms part of the city's cultural heritage. Montcassel is the ultimate charm of the city, with a luscious green space and garden, and a lovely view of the entire city. Currently, we're at Moulin du Cassel, or Castile Moulin in Flemish, which is a symbol of the former importance of the city. As you can see, we have the windmill there, the moulin, and in the past, in Kassel's glory days, there were around 20 different windmills in Kassel. Hence, the town had a fairly considerable production capacity, and it was known for the production of wheat flour. Kassel, as I explained before, is a small city, and in the past, it flourished, it grew and developed over time. But even though it was a stronghold or a military stronghold, Life, the city, things got calm after a while, and unfortunately, like Cambrai, Cassel was destroyed and rebuilt several times. The First World War marked a return of the city as a defense post. Then General Foch set up his headquarters there in order to coordinate operations in the north. In Cassel, there are normally two things that you can do. Explore the vast green space, or you could go on a hike. But who says we can do both? And that is just what I did. So, why not come to Cassel? Why not bask and enjoy this mix between French and Flemish? And even try their cuisine. With that said, guys, if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment down below. Question: which city would you like for me to visit next? Would you like for me to visit your city? Let me know in the comments down below. Or would you like to go on a tour with me? I'm sure you would. Let me know in the comments down below again, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.